Welcome all with a Finn to spend 2 nights in my self-built micro camper van. The plan is to go fishing, travel on a ferry, cook delicious food and celebrate my birthday. The weather is just awful and the nights are cold, so come along and see how we'll get through the adventure in a tiny van. Enjoy! It should start raining heavily soon. Oi, tää on lämmin. The first reaction of using a Kupilka mug instead of a wooden mug is that it's actually warm. I'm way too tired right now, but I'll tell you more about the Kupilka dishware tomorrow. It says out with a fin right there. So I bought this kind of moisture absorber. I'm going to try this for the first time now in the van. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put this inside here. I'll just leave that up there and hopefully it will collect some moisture during the night. They already crawled into bed, but I think I'll go and do some fishing. The ground is very soft. Okay, it's really windy here and the water is so shallow. I'll try to throw a few times, but I think I'm not going to spend the whole evening here. Look, I got something. The first catch of the summer. The weather here is just awful. I think it's time to get back. I'm getting cold. Nothing this time. Imagine that I'm doing all this while my fiancé is just laying down comfortably inside a warm van. I think I'm just going to crawl in the bed. So, see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. Oh, huomenta kerta. We're making different porridges because mine is gluten-free and it's tattari. And this is not the best porridge. Kerttu saw our neighbors. We're just taking the dog for a walk and then we are deciding where we want to go. This is like a memorial church, forest church, for a church that was here before, but it was burned down. The mysterious church in the middle of the forest. What? There is a graveyard here in the forest. Kainuun ensimmäinen kristillinen hautausmaa. So this was the first Christian graveyard in Kainuu. That is so weird. In the middle of nowhere, we didn't even know about this.
Missä auto?
We are just now following the rain map and trying to find a place where it's not raining as heavily and a better fishing spot for the evening. Alright, so we are just waiting for a ferry right now. That's going to take us over that lake. Horse! We have a nice campground here. There's a place to fish. Here we have a fireplace and there is a toilet right there. Everything is perfect except for the weather. It's currently snowing and it's +2 degrees outside here. Now we have a rain and wind cover here. It's so windy that's not working so well. Don't go anywhere. They have a horse riding track or something here. Now she stays warm. So this video is sponsored by Kupilka. They make these environmentally friendly dishware that are designed for hiking and outdoor activities. I'm just mentioning that they are not paying me anything. They just were kind enough to send me the products for my adventures. They have all the dishware you would need for camping or even van life like we have now. You can even get your own text to these products. I have Out with a Fin here. My fiance has her name and they have these in 5 different colors. So check out kupilka.fi for amazing outdoor dishware. Through their own website they only sell within Finland, but I put a link to the description for those of you who live abroad. That's done. Here I have this foldable bucket. I bought it with €5. Perfect for washing the dishes. Not maybe the best weather for camping. And one thing I noticed about these Kupilka dishes is that it's super easy to just clean them after eating. The food comes off so easily. Oh, I wanna get inside there as well. So this is how you make coffee in the van. It makes an awful sound but helps managing with moisture. That's way too loud. Keep this. Oh, that's hot.
Kerto, missä isi?
No tässä minä olen. Time to go fishing. My fiance stays in the hot warm van and I'll try to get us some dinner. And I got the rod stuck. I lost one bait there. I got this stuck there really badly. I think I need to borrow a boat and get that there. Okay. I'm not exactly sure how legal this is, so don't follow my mark. I don't see any leaks yet, so that's a good thing. Didn't expect to be rowing a boat on this trip. Oh! Oh! Usually in this kind of situation, when you get stuck, the plan is to go on the opposite side of from where you got stuck. So that's why I needed the boat. I'm all stuck there. I can use this to pull myself. That's where I'm stuck. So once I get past it, I might be able to pull it. Right there. Yep. Okay, I just need to go back. The wind is pulling me way too much sideways. I don't have my life jacket with me, so I need to get away from here. Well, that was a fun little side quest. I borrowed someone's boat and as an exchange I emptied it from the water. Now it's ready for the summer. Oh, no fish this time either. Fiance is hungry and came to pick me up. Found this stick to give me a much more headroom. Nice. We were planning to have steaks if I don't get any fish, and I was pretty sure I don't get any fish. Oh, the evening turned to be really nice. Would you look at that? Okay, so I was kind of doubting whether these Kupilka knives would be any good, but these are surprisingly sharp cutting the steak. I mean, just look at that. It cuts through that so easily. That's done. Ei, Kerttu, etkä! She saw the opportunity. A nice relaxing evening here. Really peaceful. Thankfully it was not even raining and the wind turned down a bit. But we are now hopping inside the van. It's kind of cold just sitting here. It's only +4 degrees outside here, so not that warm. She's just so tired. We decided to eat the supper in the van because it's so cold outside. It is nice to be in a warm van. I'm kind of jealous that she can sit properly. There is no way for me to sit here. I need to lay down. You can see the moon there. But we are already going to sleep, so see you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. Lovely way to start my 25th birthday. Yeah, I'm turning 25 today. Such a lovely weather. Not a typical way of starting your birthday. But I love it.
Kiitos.
She gets the princess treatment. Bon appetit. That's done. It's my special day after all, so I have lemon cheesecake flavor, soy-based pudding or something. Yeah, that's good. Plan was to do some fishing this morning as well, but it's closer to 0 degrees here. It's snowing and it's windy, so I think I might skip that. Just going to enjoy my morning coffee here, and then we'll probably pack up and just head back home. Thankfully I still have winter tires on. It is snowing quite heavily. It was definitely a peaceful camping trip, just as we planned. Remember to subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming videos, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. But otherwise, thank you for watching and see you on our next adventure.